Today you will learn how to add anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Let's create a shape to understand anchor points. Select Direct Selection tool. You can see all the anchor points. I have 4 anchor points. Now, for example, I want to create an anchor point here. I cannot create using Direct Selection tool. I will have to choose the pen tool here. Now, if I click on the path, you can see an anchor point is created. Now, I can edit this anchor point using Direct Selection tool. Let me discuss another method to add these anchor points. Go to Window, Toolbars, Advanced. As you can see, we have all the advanced tools. Right click Pen tool and choose Add Anchor Point tool. Now you can easily create multiple anchor points. Keep in mind that to move these anchor points, you must use the Direct Selection tool. First select these anchor points, then move them as you want. If you want to delete an anchor point, choose Delete Anchor Point tool. Make sure you have already selected the shape, otherwise you will get this error. Grab Selection tool and select the shape. Now you can use the Delete Anchor Point tool on this shape. Simply click on these anchor points to delete them. So I hope you have learned how to add anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.